Good morning, artists. So today what you will see us doing in class is we are going to take the painted paper that we made last time and we are going to be tracing leaves onto the paper. So what you're going to do today is you're going to be learning how to draw a leaf onto your painted paper that you made last week. Okay, and then you're going to use scissors to cut out the shape of the leaf that you have drawn. So what you will need is the artwork that you made last week where we did the fluffy texture stamping with your brush. You will need a pencil, and you will need a black marker, and you will need scissors. So let's study the shape of some leaves that I have right here. So the main one I'm going to teach you how to draw is this guy. Okay, so in class, the students will be tracing the leaves. At home, you're going to be drawing them yourself. So I'm going to draw on marker so you can really see what I'm doing, but everyone should be using pencil so that way if you accidentally make a mistake, you can erase. So I'm going to draw right on top of my painting, and I'm going to start by making a straight line like this, okay? And then from the bottom of the line, I'm going to curve out and then up. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Leaves are symmetrical, so you want to try your best to make it the same on both sides, okay? Now from my center line, I can do some lines going out like this. We call this the veins of the leaf. Okay, like that. There we go. So that's one leaf. And then I can take my scissors and I can cut out the shape. Now, you can try some other shapes of leaves as well. I really like this one. This one's kind of like a nice heart shape. So once again, I'm going to start by drawing the center line that's going up the leaf. And this time I'm going to make the center line a little bit curving, like that. And then it kind of, this leaf is sort of like an upside down heart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe flip my paper. No, I'll keep my paper the way it is. So from here, I'm going to curve out and then back in. I'm going to curve out on the other side and then back in like that. And then I'm going to make the thick stem of the leaf here. So I'm going to come and I'm going to add right there. So now I have another shape for a leaf, okay? And I could do some on my cool color painting as well. So I'm going to draw the shape of the leaf again, straight line. And then from the bottom of that line, I'm going to curve out and then back in, curve out and then back in. Okay? So the next step is to draw, I would say, maybe 4 leaves on your cool color painting and 4 leaves on the warm color painting. And notice how I draw the leaves close together. All right, that's because I want to try to get as many leaves out of this painting as I can. So I'm going to keep them close together so that way I can get many leaves. And once I cut my leaves out, you're going to create something called a collage. A collage is when you rearrange or layer different pieces of paper over top of each other and glue them to a new piece of paper. So I can arrange my leaves onto a background piece of paper. I've chosen black construction paper, but you can choose another color depending on what you have available at home. So I'm going to now take some time to kind of layer and arrange my leaves in an interesting way. Okay, sometimes they could be slightly on top of each other if you want, or you can try to maybe have them be connected by at the bottoms, and then maybe this one sits in the middle. Okay, you can kind of play with the arrangement. And once you have it arranged in a way that you like, right, maybe I like it like that, then you can start to glue it down to your background paper. And this is what you will see us doing in class today. So make sure you have scissors, a glue stick, and that you are drawing your leaves onto the painted paper that we made last week.